Inspired by Jamie Oliver's rendition of Lumberjack baked beans, our recipe features a medley of beans, bacon, which of course makes every dish better, and a sweet-savory sauce made with brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, dry mustard, and ginger. Yes, ginger. It's a little something extra that will leave your dinner guests wondering what makes this dish so good. Get saucy. To make the sauce, combine brown sugar, vinegar, mustard, ginger, and salt. You'll set this aside while you sizzle up the bacon and sauté diced onions in the bacon fat. Repeat, bacon makes every dish better. Pour the brown sugar mixture into the skillet with the onions. Simmer the sauce for 10 minutes to marry the made-for-each-other flavors. Did you notice that this recipe calls for canned beans? They're a convenient ingredient that will save you time and trouble in the kitchen. Combine the beans in a casserole dish, then add the bacon and the sauce. Cover the dish and bake for 1 hour. Uncover it, then bake an additional 30 minutes. Though our lumberjack baked beans need serious oven time, the actual hands-on time for the recipe is delightfully short. As a bonus, you'll have a hunger-inducing aroma wafting through your house.